This is Astropark, and welcome to another episode of my weekly market review on cryptocurrencies. Welcome again. I was abroad for a few weeks. Now it's time to get back to the chart. How we can see Bitcoin did a new all-time high. Okay, I guess we are all aware about it. And we can see on this chart that we were talking about a possible low that the Bitcoin did once 49k 50k was tested. Okay, you guys all remember, it's all recorded in the videos, and as you can see, Bitcoin kinda broke this flag, this bullish flag, and what I expect from now on is a continuation like this. Okay, so price will continue the bull flag basically with a possibly a same leg of same sides. Okay, so anything that could be a retest of this region. Okay, the region that previously was resistance, so this region, let's make it green. Okay, so this region is now supposed to be support because it was tested many times as resistance. So anything below 73k till 67 68, okay, this is of course a bullish retest. Okay, and not sure we will be able to buy it because it's not sure that this retest will happen. Okay, because as you can see here, we may have said, okay, a retest of 31 it would be great. Okay, because we can see here, okay, this was okay, so this was resistance, support, blah blah blah. Okay, so we may have thought something like this, the same here. Okay, this was support here, now resistance, so we are gonna retest it. Okay, there was no retest. Okay, price went directly for a new all-time high without testing. Okay, so you can't always plan that you will have a retest. Okay, so just bear this in mind. Probably you already wanna have at least a little bit of exposition to the market. Okay, small eventually, so you can increase your positions once price make the proper retest. Okay, so this is for Bitcoin. As I was saying, from 80k till 120, 130, 50, we don't know where this will stop. Okay, but we are be here to watch the market. Okay, the Ethereum BTC chart. Okay, I was expecting this support to work, but instead market thinks otherwise. That's okay, that's enough. I mean, that's good. Also, we can see on the other side that this kind of a channel. Okay, okay, we have this channel basically. Okay, let's put it blue too. And currently Ethereum is basically inside this channel. Okay, all the request of having this as a bullish retest failed. Okay, of course. So we have to replan. So let's remove this, and this, and this too. Okay, so what we can see here, this was this 0.239 was definitely a support. We found here price made a retest. Okay, so a lot of trades happened in this region. Okay, lots of trades happen in this region, so I expect this region to be support. Okay, price is currently retesting this region. Okay, so let's see if price will be able to print something like this. Okay, something like this, and maybe then moving again upwards. Okay, just bear in mind that we are in a big range. Okay, and we are currently in the very lower boundaries of this range. Okay, conquering 0.66 would be, of course, the very first bullish signs in order to have a proper Ethereum run. Okay, because as you can see, Ethereum has been bleeding for 2 years already. Okay, so a new higher high, so going above this 0.088 would be a first higher high, so a trend switch. Okay, in the long-term vision. Of course, short-term we would need at least a retest of this level. Okay, just already making something like this, and then a low which is a higher low compared to the previous. This can lead to higher prices. Okay, so we need to see price making a higher low and higher high. Okay, this would be amazing for crypto holders, because we know that Ethereum is the king of altcoins. So once Ethereum will explode properly, okay, you can experience a proper alt season. Okay, so Ethereum here acting good. Okay, currently, let's remove something that's not anymore interesting. Okay, so we can see here that it had a very nice move last week. Okay, but what we want to see here is that price is able to hold now this big range. Okay, this is now a demand zone. Okay, a lot of trades happened here, and price moving, making bullish engulfing. Okay, so any retest of this region, so below 2,800 or that region, it's a bullish retest. Okay, of course, once this region, so this region is conquered, okay, we are gonna see even 5k. Okay, this diagonal resistance, this also horizontal resistance. Okay, we need price to break above 4k, stay above this 3k and half, so we can see even 5k, and once that happens, of course, we can see very higher prices. Okay, you can see, just to give you an idea, okay, where we can go, considering this as a macro range. Okay, sorry, it's a bit lower. Okay, considering this as a macro range, we can easily expect Ethereum going towards these numbers. Okay, from close to 6.8k till 10k. Okay, these are the main target for Ethereum. Okay, in this bull run, once of course this main supply is broken, so 5k 5K is conquered. Okay, so this is the very important news here. Okay, Doge. I basically give you the low retest. Okay, we were expecting this. It took months. Okay, I understand, understandable, but this is exactly what I was predicting to you guys. Of course, this can continue. You see here how it happened in 2021. It may happen again. So of course, this is a good target. So 73 cents. Let's see how we get. Of course, you may have a retest, for example, of this level. Okay, so 22 cents, and probably this will be like the retest before a major run. Okay, BNB is still basically in the range. So until a proper break, I would say now of yeah, I will move this here. Okay, until a proper break of level, let's say 666, there is no reason to be amazed, because price is just ranging. Okay, it's not doing anything. Okay, so we just have to wait patiently and invest when it's the correct time to invest. Solana is doing big things also, of course. We had this retest, okay, and 618 retest. Now price is at this supply zone. We know it was supply zone, but price is making always, you see, a higher high and lower high. Okay, so this is great. Trend is very bullish. Of course, considering this was a supply zone. Okay, so let's remove these lines just to make a clearer chart. Okay, okay, okay. So this was a supply. Okay, and now it's a support. Okay, because everyone we shorted here now is in hurry to remove their shorts. In order to close the short, you have to buy, right? So 200 is now support, and the main target is now the previous all-time high. Of course, we expect, as you can see, this is the same for Bitcoin. This is bull flag, so we expect something like this to happen. Okay, so going, for example, towards to 100.5. Okay, this is something very feasible for Solana. Okay. Okay, so next chart, Solana with ETH. Okay, so we had this. We were expecting this move. Yes, we were expecting this move. It was declared here in this with this. Okay, now I expect Ethereum to catch up a little bit. So probably Solana with Ethereum is going to retest this range, and then we will see what will happen if this range will be lost. Okay, and Ethereum will dominate, or if Solana will dominate. Okay, so they are just fighting for us. Bitcoin dominance. Besides, a lot of people are seeing this as trying to see this as bearish, but Bitcoin dominance is just doing higher highs and lower highs, so it's difficult to say when this will stop. Okay, for sure, what we can see here is that this is like a are good retracement levels. Okay, so if we try to move this forward a little bit. Okay, so this is a Fibonacci retracement level, so this can go up to 62 percent, so level 705, and then we have the retracement. Okay, till now Bitcoin will continue dominating probably. So, and we have to see how it will react to this level. Okay, so if this will be flipped, okay, you are gonna see probably 100k and all your altcoins bleeding. Okay, otherwise we may have the alt season. Okay, so more alt season depending on how deep this will go. Okay, then what we have, let's see, next chart. Okay, the Ethereum dominance. Okay, and we all know, because every one of us saw the Ethereum BTC chart, so this is definitely not working, and probably again this is the main region of support, like for Ethereum BTC chart. So, and this on the other side will be the retracement level we were talking about, probably up last dip before a recovery. Okay, this is very probably what can happen. USDT dominance. So rejection of this supply, great for crypto market. Now we are at this level. Okay, so I remove this. So if price can USDT dominance can go below 4%. Okay, this is what we all want. Otherwise, you are gonna see now a retracement in all crypto market, because this is kind of the support level, and as far as I see, no, this triangle was broken to downside, but this looks like a bear flag. Okay, so we expect this to happen. Okay, as it happened here, right? We expect this to happen. The only issue here is when. If basically this will happen immediately, okay, from here, or if we have another retest of this supply range, and then so you make a lower high and then the lower low. So just watch out. Okay, the dominance of altcoins, it's basically dancing here at this level. Really nothing to say. Crypto market cap is reaching the supply of 3 trillion, but as BTC, this is it's a bull flag broken, so we expect this. Okay, like for Bitcoin will retest that level we were saying. So are we gonna retest this level? I don't know, but this will be interesting for sure to watch. And this is basically the same chart as well as this. It's interesting to see that this idea is currently working. So let's see if this can really move. Would be really interesting. And here a few altcoins we were talking about in the past. I'll try to go as fast as I can because it's already 20 minutes I'm recording, so this demand is still working for Kaspa. Okay, and this is a longer historic request. Levels still working. Uni is moving. Probably it's time for the move. for the real move. So this was the test pump, and probably now it's gonna be the real pump. Feel it's embarrassing, but still holding, no lower low, so it can move from here. Probably it's time to remove this and hope that this now can move upwards. Okay, this can really fly. Comp similarly, and ton the basically the listing price is acting as support, and the price is able to hold here. Probably is gonna go back to $7. Okay, near is tested basically the demand. Okay, this demand. Oh, sorry. Okay, basically testing this demand. Okay. And probably is gonna break toward the upside. Link is waking up too, and once $18 is conquered, this can fly very easily. Say respected our demand zone and is currently fighting too for another move of the other toward the upside. Tia is he needs to restart. Okay, Tia is historically is a little bit not in line with the others. This will probably continue moving like this. Then one day it will happen the first test pump, and after that it will move. Okay, so it will create like a base here for the future moves. So something that you can invest long term. Hinge is respecting the demand and is trying to move. Okay. SHIB. Now we have really a lot of altcoins to talk about it. So if you see like all this 50% pump, etc., you have to watch the full chart. Okay, this is just a breakout. So for example, testing this level. Okay, this will be your the zone you should bid. Okay, a retest of this range, of this level. Okay, the same for PEPE. Basically is acting exactly like the others, so is respecting demand, and we see probably a retest here. Okay, DOGE with that is moving. BONK still moving. Okay, and this is the diagonal support. So till this diagonal is not lost, this is going to go probably much higher. Okay, the most important thing is that this is not going to be lost. Okay, I see something like this. Okay, FLOKI is following, of course, all the memes. POPCAT has been leading. Okay, I was telling you guys, just don't lose this, and this will go up, and this is what happened. Brett instead is found the demand. Okay, and this is what we were expecting, right? Had a major a major fall. Let's see. Okay, but this was the demand. Okay, so if this holds, this can easily go towards 26, for example. Okay. NEIRO just started, so from this point of view, of course, you have to understand that you have to watch for the market cap. NEIRO is just 1 billion. Okay, you see PEPE with BONK, so this is the chance that you have. Okay, when you invest in this cryptocurrency, this is what you have to watch for the market cap. The same for MU, for GOAT, for NOT. Okay, NOT, for example, is a very good spot to load. Okay, MOG, SPX. Okay, BOME. Okay, BOME, for example, it's interesting to see that finally recovered below the listing price, so everything here can be a good investment. Okay, Turbo we watched it since a long time and is doing amazing thing. Thanks for a friend of us for suggesting it. Okay, and what we have also, this FWOG. We have also BABYDOGE. This is an interesting project because it's a long run. It's since 2022 that it's here, and I expect it to do important things. Okay, especially because price is really trying to move. Okay, it is basically demand zone. Okay, and once this diagonal resistance will be broken, it is gonna fly, pretty much sure. Okay. Of course, everything you have watched has been sponsored by pionex. I suggest you to trade here. It's very smooth, it's very interesting and easy to use platform. You can have also a lot of bots that you can follow. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the review, and see you at the next crypto market review. Of course, feel free to comment and ask for a specific chart to analyze. I'll be happy to provide it. And of course, you can use the link in description for subscribe to my service or to pionex, or use this QR code. Thank you so much and have a nice day, guys. Cheers.